it was a long journey, I would say. But the thing is that, last year itself, what happened was that, what was so amazing is in the midst of the busyness and my adaptation to serving, because I just received prize not long ago, so that was like 2 years or so ago, yeah. So when I decided to join there, and that was also a new phase of my my journey in working. So it was just a cruising kind of time. But the thing is that right after I started to commit myself to serving there, I was actually offered a job that was headhunted, and I actually was given a 100% pay increment. If it's your take, right? Don't take one. But the thing is that, right, during the HR interview, what they shared with me is, if you want to take, right, can, but must work on weekend. So at the point of time, is serving in there. Serving in there requires me to go to actually serve on Saturday, every Saturday itself. So the thing is that, so I have to choose, right, serve in there or take out 100% pay increment, right? So, being human, of course you'll be very tempted, to even like, just want to take out that job, but no peace, really no peace. So, just decided to continue to stay on in there, but I told the Lord this, I said, please don't let my decision regret cannot please tolong, Yeah, I was very true, I just tell him, I don't really want to regret my decision that I made, and true enough, it's like, right, last year, I got a new job offer, so I went on to my current company. So what happened was that, I'm not even 1 year in my company, right? But the thing is that, the Lord is really so faithful. He not only prospered me not only He gave me a job, He gave me a career. A career that I think is really undeserving for me, and for me, who is only not even a 1 year old employee in the company, I was given a chance to receive the corporate bonus and pay increment at such a short stay in the company. I mean, it's like, how many companies are willing to give that to you, right? And not only that, the Lord never stopped, keep on working for you, What happened is that, recently I was given the opportunity to go to Disneyland Hong Kong, not to go holiday, but to go there as a keynote speaker. To actually share about, the service excellence to them. Yeah, basically, Disneyland, they are known to be very reputable in terms of their service background, right? So, and calling me, somebody who is the angmo, not very cheap one, portfolio not there one, resume not really there one, to actually go there, right, and speak to, like the congregation that are all scholars. I mean, it's like, I told the Lord, it's like, my English like that, you ask me what is it. It's not possible, and I know that I won't be, I just tell myself, cannot be, this really cannot be possible, kind of thing. Yeah, so it's like, but I just see how the Lord has really been prospering so much since the day I decided that, the Lord, I just want to serve you. I want to put my heart in serving you. And as I decided in that decision of mine, I can just see that, the Lord has non-stop prospering me. Whatever my hand lays on it, He prospers it. Yeah, I just want to encourage you all that, as you are serving, there may be moments and days that you feel very dry. I do face that too sometimes. But just know that, at the back of your tiredness, the Lord is still working. He's still working to prosper you in whichever area that you are in. May it be in school, maybe it be in your new career, or may it be any advancement that you're looking for. The Lord is faithful, and the Lord will bless you forever.
Amen. Thank you very much.